Tired of copycats stealing your listings? Amazon Project Zero can wipe them out, and here is how to join. Now you can see, just type into Google, Project Zero Amazon. Once you're there, then you're going to see this page, block, remove, and prevent counterfeits. So pretty much they're using AI and they're giving you full power to just click a button to remove counterfeit. Click Enroll Your Brand. Once you click Enroll Your Brand, it's going to take you to this page. And then you're finally going to click log into brand registry. If you don't have an account, make an account. It's going to look just like this. And this is Amazon brand registry, where you can report violations, enroll in transparency. And there is the Project Zero button right there. And we're going to click on this and it's going to take us to Project Zero so we can enroll. Now, to actually get eligible is a whole different story. But if you are eligible, it's going to say get started right there. Enroll your brands in Project Zero, right? And then it gives you all these strengths where automated protections with AI, they just start removing people left and right. And then you get, you no longer need to contact Amazon. You can just remove them anytime. So you pretty much get ultimate power on Amazon for a period of time, which is very nice. Now, once you click enroll, right? So if we go back and we click get started right here, then it's going to take you to this page. It's going to have your brand name, right? And then you're just going to click next step right here. Once you click next step, it's going to take you to the next page. And then you're just going to enroll your item. Is it for Amazon.com? You can add more trademarks if you want. And then number 3, it's going to be if you want to have product serialization status. The product serialization service is currently available. This is optional, it seems like. Do you want to talk to somebody about it? Probably not. You just want Project Zero so you can report people left and right, right? Perfect. So then you're pretty much good to go. And then you go all the way over here and just click submit. And then once you're done, then you'll be enrolled in Project Zero. You'll get extra, pretty much get extra power. AI is going to be reviewing your listings, and you can go through the tabs and monitor it and see your impact dashboard and see how Project Zero is just removing so many people on Amazon, which is extremely nice to have. So this will help you. It is difficult to get approved. Getting approved is in a different video. This one's just how to actually apply and to see if you are eligible. I highly recommend everybody does it because there is no downside. There's only positives to this service. That's it for today's video. If you need help selling on Amazon, contact us. In the comments below, you can see a link to go to our website. We are Amazon consultants. And if you did like this video, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, don't forget to subscribe. If you need help with increasing sales, getting approved for Project Zero, removing fakes, or all of the above, contact EHP Consulting Group. We also specialize in Amazon account management. We'll monitor all your counterfeits, remove them on Amazon, go on different marketplaces for you to review them. Also help you with ads, design, Amazon support if you need it, and of course, help you grow your sales so that way you can grow your business. We do all the above for Amazon, and the link's right in the description to contact us or just schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.